Excuse me, what business do you have here?
I was here visiting a friend. You?
Don't you recognize me? My name's Colrath, Prince Colrath.
How am I? I'm sorry, my prince. Humblest apologies. The name's Merrick, by the way.
Alright, Marek. Who is this friend you've come to see, and what is it about?
It was a Tauren. He goes by the name of Death Fury, and it was because it is his birthday soon, and I was discussing with him what he wanted to do.
You know he's my guard, right?
Again, my humblest apologies. Do you mind if he spends the day with me?
I don't see why he can't. He deserves a rest.
Thanks, Prince.
I just met your friend. Marek, was it?
Oh, what did he say?
He said it was your birthday, but that can't be right. It's already been, hasn't it?
You must be lagging a bit behind, sir. It's coming to my birthday indeed.
Oh, how odd. That's not like me at all.
People make mistakes. Don't worry about it, sir.